Trip Builder is a powerful tool that allows you to manipulate a booking in order to build stopovers or other more complex routings. There are two ways to use the tool. One, you can start with a clean slate and just build an itinerary from scratch. For example, if you know you want to fly LAX to London on those dates, don't know which airline, you can just search for flights and see what's out there. You'll notice we're getting flights back, but not prices. That's the way Trip Builder works. So we would add a flight. Here's an LAX to London flight. Here's the return. It's a good idea to pick the same airline. You'll get a better price, so add that flight. Then you can select first business, economy, premium economy class, number of people, exclude basic economy, those kinds of things, and click price. I think there's a better way to use this tool, but I wanted you to see it in its raw form. So let's go back and let's think of it this way. Your client wants to fly Minneapolis to London, departing around the 30th of April, returning around the 12th of May, but they want to fly through Reykjavik, Iceland, stop, visit the Blue Lagoon. Use the stick pin that says Customize Routing. I'm using the regular search tool instead of Trip Builder. Watch how I do this. I'll put in the airport code, Reykjavik, Iceland, or the city code. Maybe exclude basic economy or whatever else I want to add, and click search. This will show me the best flights operating through that route. I'm going to pick hide changes of airports and also one connection. Best thing I can find is Iceland Air, flies right through Reykjavik, naturally. And now I know basically what I'm looking for. I have the itinerary that I'm basically looking for. The only thing that is missing is a stopover. So I can use the edit button. Click the edit button, and that will bring this itinerary over to Trip Builder. So rather than trying to build all this from scratch, not knowing which airlines will do this, I will use the search tool to find it and then bring it over to a Trip Builder from there. From here, I can remove that second flight. This is the Reykjavik London flight. Remove that. Do a one-way, KEF to London. And let's pick the 3rd of May. Gives us a few days in Reykjavik. And now I'm going to pick an airline, Iceland Air, because that's what we've been flying on. I'll get a better price if I stay on the same airline. And just pick my flight time for that one segment. Add flight. It'll drop it right in where it's supposed to be. At this point, I can price this out in economy or business class, exclude basic economy, put the number of people, and hit price. Trip Builder will price this as a consolidator fare, as a published fare, and if you select cruise or student, it'll price that as well. From here, you can select which one you like best, click book, and you're on your way to book the stopover. As NDC fares continue to be rolled out into our system, you might notice that some of them don't allow the edit feature at this time. That's an ever-changing picture. For now, if you want to edit an itinerary, you just need to pick another fare, either a published fare or consolidator fare that has the edit button, and go with that.